Guys, I have had this machine now for a little over 3 years. It's a UK DDL 8700 industrial sewing machine. You see, this machine has been working very well for me. Never gave me any problems until today. I was just taking a look at YouTube and I found that there was a video of a guy that said, look, you wouldn't believe what I found inside my machine. I said to myself, this machine, as a matter of fact, I have been using it for quite a long time. Have I actually opened this machine? No, there was never a day I actually opened this machine to actually take a look at what it's inside this place. And when this video on YouTube popped up on my feed, I felt like if you take a look at it, it's still very much new. This is just, the kind of covering that came with it from factory. I'm just playing it off to tell you that this is actually a very beautiful machine I've been using for a long time. All right. So when this video popped on my feed, I said to myself, I'm going to go ahead and open this machine, just to lift it up and actually take a look at the inside and see for myself what is actually inside my machine. And if you have not actually done that for your own machine, I want to advise you, it doesn't matter what kind of machine you are using. If it's a Yuki, if it's a butterfly, a Singer, make sure you actually open your machine to take a look, because the video I saw, I was personally shocked to find out that in the machine that was shown in this video, there were all manner of stuffs just right underneath the machine right here where the oil compartment is. I was shocked and I said to myself, today is not going to roll by if I wouldn't go ahead, to open my machine. So I'm going to do that. As a matter of fact, I haven't taken a look at the inside. I'm just going to make sure I do that on camera so that we all get to see what exactly is in the inside of my machine. To do that, definitely I have to keep this microphone somewhere. So I'm just going to clip it on my pulley just like that so that I can actually use both hands to lift this top. The beautiful thing about the Yuki machine is that you do not really have to unscrew anything just to get into the oil compartment. But I will warn you that it's a little bit heavy. So be careful while lifting the machine up so that it doesn't fall off. Because if it fall, oh my gosh, this is crazy. Guys, I am just taking a look at this for the first time. I'm actually shocked what's in the inside of my machine right here. All right. What I can already see, I can see some insets. I don't know if the camera is going to pick this, but this is kind of crazy. I'm going to put that there. And if you take a look at the inside, there are all manners of debris right here. I've got, remains of zippers. I've got, oh my God, I can't even see a needle. This is unbelievable. See what I can bring out? A needle. I hope this camera is going to pick this. I didn't know that this has been hiding here all the while. And if you take a look at this, there are all manners of debris right there. I've got remains of threads. This is kind of expected because this is a machine I have been using, for quite a long time. And the thing I didn't actually do was to take a look at the inside of my machine, to make sure that all these things are cleaned once in a while. The idea of having a machine is not just to have it, work for you, which is so good stitches. Sometimes you also have to take care of your machine, because if you take care of your machine, what you are actually doing is actually making it last long for you. Sometimes some people say, my machine is not so expensive, so because of that, I do not have to actually, take care of it. See, if you ever had a machine, oh no, this is unbelievable. Guys, take a look at this. This is just unbelievable. I didn't know that this has been hiding here for so long. Even though, like I said, I never ever had any problems with this machine. But this is just an eye-opener for me to say, look, even though your machine is working, very well, please always make it a habit, to take a look at the inside of your machine, kind of clean it up, because a clean machine naturally is a happy machine. My machine is not as dirty as that which was shown in the video I talked about, but then it's still very, very dirty. And I didn't actually expect this. If I knew that this is something I should check once in a while, believe me, guys, I would have done it. The beautiful thing is that it's so easy to do. If you lift up your machine, if you have a Yuki machine, all you have to do is lift it up the same way I have lifted mine. Just make sure that you are holding it very well so that it doesn't fall on you. And if it falls down, it might be a very, very bad experience. The bucket right here is also filled with a lot of debris. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean it out. First of all, I'm going to use my hands, to bring out whatever is hiding here. If you can see that, this is actually unbelievable. I'm just going to put that here so that you see that. Man, if I knew that this is something I should do once in a while, I should have, guys, already done it a long time ago. Something I even found now, I can see a broken needle right inside of the machine. This, I would never have expected that something like this would be hiding inside my machine, all right? But then, luckily for me, I saw a video that motivated me to open my machine up and just give it, a gentle clean. And I am actually hoping that this video is also going to motivate you, to take a look at the inside of your machine and just go ahead and give it, some kind of clean as much as you can. You do not have to do anything out of the ordinary. All I am asking you to do, take a look at the machine, see if there are some little, debris that you can actually just bring out with your hand or whatever little instrument that you have. I have this I use in threading my overlocker, and it has proven to be very, very effective. If you have done that, then you can actually go ahead and close your machine again. And this is just a way for you to make your machine even work longer for you. Man, this is amazing. And I'm so glad that I saw this video. Now, everything pretty much looks very good. The beautiful thing is that the oil levels is still very much where it should be. And I'm just going to make it a habit of constantly checking this thing, because this is the one machine I've had for a very long time, and I am highly satisfied with the performance of this machine. The only thing I didn't do very well was that all this while never really took care of it. But right now, I now know that this is something that needs to be done. Guys, if this video has encouraged you to take a look at the inside of your machine, do me a favor, go into the comment section, tell me what you found, and until I see you again in the next one, peace.